Hey guys, Paula here. So this is healthy puppy lamb and long grain rice, and this is specifically formulated for puppies. Lamb is the number one ingredient. However, it does have chicken. So if you happen to have a dog who is allergic to chicken, chicken is not going to be the main ingredient, but they are still going to get some chicken byproducts in this particular item. So on the back here, the protein itself is actually going to be 8%. Your fat is going to be 7%. Your crude fiber is only 1.5%, and then moisture being the highest at 78%, just in case you needed to know that for your particular puppy. Now, I have already opened it, and I just want to go ahead and show you the amount of ingredients that you can see on the top here. So because of the green color that you see on top, you will see on the back of the can, it does contain spinach, carrots, some oatmeal, as well as the fish and the long grain rice, and then of course some egg products. So that's why on the inside of the can, you see kind of the orange speckles and the green speckles. But let's go ahead and actually scoop it out. Okay, so there is a huge mixture of carrots and green spinach in this particular can, which is extremely beneficial for a puppy who is needing all of those nutrients in order to grow up and get big and strong and all that kind of good stuff. Now, when I feed this to my boxer, he definitely loves it and doesn't have any problem licking his bowl clean.